We are pleased to show you the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, sunroof. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.